Hi, Louwrens Swart here from Cape Town. Friends call me Blackie. I'm a maxillofacial surgeon in private practice. During COVID-19, immediacy is advocated throughout all levels of restrictions except total lockdown. This is also written into our protocol. The clear benefit to all concerned is that less chair time is required. Wherever possible, an immediate prosthesis can also be placed on the implant, eliminating additional visits that would otherwise be required when a removable prosthesis is the temporizing option. The digital pathway stops direct contact between the operator and the laboratory technician via impressions, eliminating possible spread of saliva and viruses between the practitioner and the laboratory.